On this campus with Newbridge on the Charles and the Rashi School, we have the opportunity for organic interaction between seniors and kids and the parents of children, a village that is the way things were meant to be.
As a Rashi parent and as a geriatrician, a physician who specializes in care of older adults, I'm so excited about the opportunity for our kids to learn from an intergenerational setting.
I will welcome the opportunity to be able to share some of that learning with the kids at Rashi.
I see them working together. We seniors going there to participate in activities.
I'm very excited about the opportunities and possibilities of Newbridge residents and Rashi students working together in my area of reading. I see many opportunities of them getting together to share a wonderful book.
I plan to volunteer at the school.
You know, on any given day, with 2,000 people on this campus, from children to their faculty and parents, and then all of the seniors, it will be like a little village. It's the way life is meant to be.
I think the Rashi School will flourish on this campus because all the people who live here are very excited that they will have this interaction.
In my younger days, I enjoyed playing basketball and golf, and now at the Rashi School will be close by. I'll enjoy possibly teaching these kids how to play those sports.
We really believe this is a unique chance for our kids to really live the fifth commandment of honoring thy father and thy mother, and to learn about the Jewish tradition of aging and the life cycle from people who've been through everything.
The vision that Len Fishman and others had for this tremendous facility is to have seniors live in dignity through their older years, but also be connected to the younger generation and with the energy and vitality that children bring to a community.
From an older Jewish generation to a younger generation.
The future of the Rashi School, as I see it, is that it is a guarantor that we will have a learned, educated, and deeply committed leadership and lay people coming out of this school that will serve our Reformed Jewish cause.
There's nothing like it educationally in the country, and the benefits to the kids and the older people are going to be superb.
Older people are life's veterans, and it's an opportunity for our kids and the older people to share with each other and to grow, to learn about Judaism and its commitment to healthy aging and to the spirituality of aging.
We have been looking forward to this moment when the kids arrive on the campus. The seniors who live there already are so eager for this interaction and can't wait for September to come.
My granddaughter, Rabbi Clevenger, will be at the school, and she has threatened to call us and say, I'm coming for lunch.